Let's see. What do I do here?
You need to. You need to just select a loadout and
We'll just
play
go with.
and not die.
We'll just go with what I got for right now. Oh my gosh.
Oh, hold on, I'll go to you. Where you at? I don't know where you are. So basically, what we're doing in this game mode is called domination, and you gotta try to it's basically each capture the objectives, right? Capture the defense. So if it's red, the enemy owns it. If it's blue, your team owns it. It's a very quick to die game. It doesn't take much.
Well, it doesn't really help that my graphics card is very much not like it. So I'm gonna turn off my special.
Oh, it's like
hey feller.
Something. Nice one, we got Alpha. How many times have you died already?
I did
this
once.
game, like, there's so many tryhards in this game.
Yeah, I'm still. There's 2. It is so laggy here. Oh my gosh. Like, it's not laggy, it's very slurred. And I'm thinking.
I haven't got to kill yet.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to change
There's a lot
some.
of tryhards in this. Yeah. So, like, you have to, like, restrict your lessen the graphics.
Oh, you were a bad guy. Okay. Okay, so my most difficult thing here is my graphics card. I am very limited on my graphics card.
Just curious.
1050 Ti.
Oh, is mine better?
Yeah, you have a better graphics card than I do. Oh, okay. I'm follow you.
Alright, this is the objective up here. Capturing it, so.
Are you gonna be an objective player?
Alright, so we got this objective, and you normally either defend that one or you go on to capture the next objective.
Objective player. Objective player.
Yeah, this is definitely a hard game. I hope you enjoy it though. It's taken me a lot to try to get into it.
Yeah, I really gotta work with my graphics. Oh my gosh. Yeah, see, I have an older graphics card. I have the 1050 Ti. It's also a smaller one than what you have, and it's gonna need some tweaking on this. I'm thinking of turning all my graphics way down just to be able to get a smooth game out of it. This is a very potato computer.
Dang. Nice one, we got Alpha. So what? You have a 1050, you have a 1060, right?
You have a 1650.
1650.
Or a 1660.
Right.
One of the two. I know it's one of the two. I have a 1650 Super for my desktop, and I'm actually thinking.
What are you playing?
Well, for my desktop, that's what I got. But I hadn't built the desktop yet, so
Gotcha.
Man, this is just gonna be a very long game of death.
How many frames are you getting?
Huh?
Hey, watch out. How many frames are you getting?
Oh gosh, I'm probably getting. I mean, to be honest, yeah, I'm probably getting pretty low frame rates right now. I think I'm getting probably 25 frames a second.
Oh, that's how much Josh was getting today. I get a solid 60.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna take a second here. I'm gonna do Alt F2 and bring up my graphics card settings. My insurgency just crashed.
Oh, dude, I would love to have the game. I played the campaign on console, like some of it, and I loved every minute of it. Never got to play online though, because I never got to download it all the way. But, dude, I would love to have that game on PC.
Yeah. Oh, it's better than it was, but man, the picture is terrible.
Oh, really? Oh, in this game?
Yeah. I think I'd need a better picture for better computer for Modern Warfare, the full-on thing. To be honest, I'd have to have. Why do I have a suppressor on this gun?
Do what, Chase?
I said, why do I have a suppressor on this gun?
I don't know. You can change it all up. You can choose any gun.
Suppressor lowers hit fire ratio, typically on games.
Is that what it says?
Well, typically
Well, this
on
game,
games.
like, it's not true in all games. This game's very realistic, and all it's going to do is just lessen your suppression. It's going to suppress your gun, like a real suppressor would. Your compensator is going to reduce recoil, but it's going to produce a really loud and bright flash. Which the flashes in this game are very bright, so like I don't know, I can count so many times that I've seen other people's muzzle flash in this game, and I wouldn't know who they were unless I saw the muzzle flash. So it's like, you know, it's this game
Hey,
is
we have a sniper
very,
at the gas station by Bravo.
very realistic, more than Siege.
Roger. You copy that? Sniper at gas station by Bravo.
Come.
Oh, come on. Man, I had to lower the settings to like the lowest. I just spawned. That is ridiculous. How you just gonna kill me on spawn? Aha, nobody gonna kill me
Yeah,
now.
that happened a lot. That's why I was raging a lot earlier, because I get getting spawn killed. Because the game will spawn you random spots.
I'm still getting a little bit of this lag thing, this motion blur. And I would think that I have motion blur off. And actually, I think I do. But man, the graphics are so terrible now.
Well, that's going to be on your side. This game looks amazing. Graphics turning all the way up. I mean,
I
absolutely
imagine it
beautiful.
does. Well, you see, like, I'm getting the lighting decently well. It's shadowing that I have issues with right now.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So, basically... So, basically, the shadowing on here is what's terrible. Really? I just spawned. Can you, like, lay down or squat or anything at a crouch?
Yes, you get C for crouching, and then Z for laying down all the way.
That's not C for me.
C for crouching?
Pressing C for me is enemy down, intermediate, mid pickup, basically talking.
Oh. Well, I changed mine then. I rebinded the keys, because
Oh, did you?
this game had really bindings, pre-bindings, presets. So I set mine up like it's any other game, like Siege. I have T for talking and V, or and what's the other one?
Yeah, can you tilt your gun? Or is that an...
Yes, it's just like Siege.
Okay, and how do you tilt? Oh, I get it. It should be. if I can never actually do it.
It's being on site. Actually, no, it's just like Siege.
Okay. Where did it spawn me? Oh. Yeah, going through shadows is really dark for me, and going into the light is really, really bright for me.
It's crazy.
Yeah, this is actually really probably some terrible play. A lot of people probably just give up on this game at the moment.
Dude, I can't wait until I build my own PC and then be able to play like these games like super and see all like the very detailed graphics like on a 440p monitor or a 4K monitor. It'd be insane.
Well, to be honest with you, I actually thought about just reselling my graphics card, or keeping it for a little while and then upgrading the graphics card for the PC because I kind of bottleneck myself.
Did you do that?
I got too low of a graphics card for the CPU.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Now, what were you saying before? Because I was talking to a teammate in the game, like before. I'm sorry.
About what?
Before you got to the part, you said you got a too low of a graphics card for your CPU.
Oh, I thought about selling or just using it for a while and then getting rid of my CPU, my GPU.
Yeah. What GPU do you have?
I bought a 1650 Super.
So how's it too low? I thought that was a really good one.
It's a decent one.
Which one do you want?
I was actually kind of thinking like a 2000 series.
So crazy.
Do what?
That'd be crazy good, wouldn't it?
Well, actually, technically, no, it wouldn't be. Come back, guy. Oops. Killed you on, almost killed you on spawn, didn't mean to. I think this is the longest I've gone without passing.
Oh, there's no like dedicated spawn point, so if you see somebody, just kill them. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah. It's not like Modern Warfare in that area. Oh, hey, fella.
No, you spawn absolutely randomly. This is domination, so if you ever play this game by yourself, make sure you play this game because the rest of them are all like sweaty tryhards game modes, and that's all I gotta say. This is like the only game mode I got that's bearable to me because like it's kind of more of a casual game.
Okay. I was thinking like a 2060 Ti.
Oh yeah. 2060. How expensive is that gonna be? I'm just curious.
Probably about $400 or so, at least. Time must be running out.
Yeah, we were. It's
Yeah.
we lost. Oh man.